Want to learn how to make perfect mashed potato like this every time? I'll show you in less than 2 minutes. So nice floury potatoes, prick them. You're going to bake them in the oven like a jacket potato, about an hour, 170. This will get you a better flavour and dry them out. While they're still warm, push them through a sieve, through the skin like that. Save those skins. I'll show you on another video how we can use them without wasting them. Weigh your potato and then weigh half the amount of salted butter and keep that cold. Transfer your potato to a pan, keep it warm, don't let it go cold, really important. And you should have cold butter and warm milk, there's about 100 ml there. So start gradually adding your cold butter to your hot potato and beat it in, keep beating. Let it emulsify, let it work in. Keep going bit by bit, you can add a bit more, I was just being a bit cautious. Then get the last in, beat it in really well. So it's going to look greasy and split like this. Don't worry about it. That's what the hot milk is for. So don't let it boil, just hot. So what it's going to do, it's going to cling on and emulsify to that fat so you don't have a greasy mashed potato. It's not going to make it wet and sloppy. Watch this, it's going to be firm, silky, buttery, tasty, everything you want. That's perfect mashed potato. Just needs a little bit more salt for me. Beat that in. Make sure that's well incorporated. You can add a bit more milk if you want, but for me, this is perfect. Now taste test. That's great mash. That's exactly what you want. Silky, smooth, firm, and buttery. So I'm just spreading it out, show you how silky it is and what a great texture it has.